वेलकम वन सेकेंड। सो आज हम इफ्तार कर रहे हैं, इन्हें एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे पाकिस्तान की फूड स्ट्रीट में इफ्तार का। सो ये रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं और यहाँ पर इफ्तार करेंगे, एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे। सो लेट्स सी कि यहाँ का इफ्तार कैसा है, हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें मिल रही हैं जो कि एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। लेट्स गो। Bar is the one of the first that we went to. We have explored the things they have, like all the Desi items that we are in Iftar, fruits ke saath charts and everything, and they're nice and clean. Their buffet is around like 54 to 60 ringgit. Please do check out with them. So next one, we from Karachi Darbar we move over to Pakistan restaurant. Pakistan restaurant is the next to Karachi Darbar, walking distance. So they have displayed all the items like chaat, samosa, kachori, and all other items are there. And with that, they have a barbecue session as well, started as well. So after that, we move on to Pak Punjab. Pak Punjab is one of the old and the best restaurants in the all the way Chow Kit. They have a big variety of the items in there as compared to others, and they have like others like sweets as well, chaat, pakoda, samosa, fruits as well. So there's an add-on there, and inside there they have like biryani and all the items are displayed there very well. So ये सारा का सारा मौजूद है पाक पंजाब के अंदर, और उसके साथ स्वीट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं. Then we move on to our next restaurant, that was the Ras Baloch. रास बलोच बिल्कुल सिचुएटेड है नेक्स्ट टू पाक पंजाब, और उनके पास बिग वैरायटी ऑफ द आइटम्स भी थी. और ये आपको डिस्प्लेड है डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ चाट के साथ. देसी आइटम जो है अवेलेबल होते हैं, और कुछ आइटम्स अवेलेबल हैं फ्रूट, समोसा, पकौड़ा, और उसके अलावा मिठाइयाँ भी अवेलेबल यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं. और उनका बारबेक्यू के साथ साथ अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके सामने ही कुछ फ्राई की जाए लाइक ऑन डिमांड, सो दे आर अवेलेबल दिस सर्विस देयर इन पाक Ras Baloch. So next we move on to walk on the Khan Food 2 they call it. So the same variety, and they have like the trifles, the pakoda, samosa, and other rolls as well. So uske saath saath they have the variety of like all the biryani, pulao, and all other items like curries, and all the mithaiyon ki available bhi thi. Aur uske saath saath they have the shop, because if you want to buy the fruit shop like Pakistani masala, Pakistani items for your home, for your household, so you can use their Khan Food 2 shop as well. So there's people are getting around, they want to sit their places before the iftar coming in. So then we move on to Kashmir Kitchen. So this is the one of the good restaurants as well. So they have like the big variety as well, the basic variety of the foods as well. Next to it barbecue BK Grill. BK Grill आपको फेमस है दम पोख्त के लिए, और ये अपनी ग्रिलिंग के लिए they are famous with. So उनके साथ they available for the charts and pakoda, samosa chaat and all that, they are also available there. So for the दम पोख्त के साथ साथ आप ये चीज़ें भी enjoy कर सकते हैं as iftar. So then we walk in towards the Pakiza. Pakiza is just next to the Khan Food, and there's a big variety of on the Pakiza. They have pakode, samosa, they are live frying or going on. उसका कचौरी है, different items are going on. So they have a good big number of variety of the items that they are very busy going on, and the big variety of barbecue as well. So उसके साथ साथ आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको बस शामी कबाब के अलावा भी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं. So here we go, the last final destination is the Khan. So this is the last we are covering this restaurant. So big variety of items available again here. So fruits open है, chaat है, different है, barbecues is available है, live session is going on, the kebab or the things are going on there as well. So हमने अपनी I just went inside, booked a table there, and I grabbed my plate, choose the item that I want. So I've chosen the items, then I move on to my table. So I was walked in. You have to call before you come here, around at least 2-3 hours earlier than call. So here we go. 7 minutes left for the iftar, waiting for the time for iftar, and there you go. सो ये थी आज की वीडियो, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के शेयर कीजिए, और प्लीज़ डू check out these restaurants. There are tasty and amazing and delicious food there. Have iftar there. Enjoy your month of Ramadan. Praise for me as well. So have a good one and take care of yourself. And next video we are making the next new place for iftar. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.